Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more, help us to share our videos, and if you have not subscribed, help us to subscribe on here. Presently, we have over 200 videos on our platform. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice without any problem. Any topic you are expected to be there and it's not there yet, you can leave a comment below or you reach us on this number 2348034495990. With this number, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and Telegram is also allowed. And secondly, we need your help. We need your help. Let me just not say I'm begging. Anyhow you can help us, especially in terms of money, in terms of material, even marker. If you can be donating marker to us, we are very okay with that. Presently, we need a bigger board, we need a better camera, and we need to have money, and no amount is small. Okay. What I have for you now, in our first video, I've explained the formulas and how friction is being generated, and in this video I'll be working on problems, problems that you can meet in any exam and to really help you. Okay. Now I'm talking about problems on friction. When we talk about friction, I've explained how to resolve it in our previous video, and also I'll show you what is called statics friction, coefficient, which is static constant. I'll show you the reaction, I'll show you the weight, and also show you the force. And we have solved one or two very simple problems. Now, just to show more problems on this video, that's what I want to do. Now, the first problem, I will start from simple to complex as a trained teacher. If an object is just begins to slide on a if an object just begin to slide on a surface inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal, the coefficient of the friction is question mark. Now, this question can be given to you in any exam to attempt, which is objective to be precise. Now, if I have this type of problem, it's a very simple question that it does not require just 2 seconds. You are okay with this question and you are good to go. What you just do is that a solution to this problem. Now, we are talking about what? If an object just begins to slide on a surface inclined at what? At 30 degrees to the horizontal, the coefficient of friction is what? You don't know it. What you just do is that I will move on by having, don't forget that my tan 30 will give you what? Which is 1 all over what? 3. That is all. 1 all over root 3. That is all what you need of that part. That is all what you need. Now, let me look for another problem that can also be of help to us. Okay. Okay, another problem which is to really help us. I have another question. A horizontal force of 45 Newton applied to a crate of mass 9 kg is just sufficient to move it. If the crate is rolled put at an angle of 50 degrees to the horizontal. Find the force required to move the crates over the horizontal surface. Taking your G as 10 meters per second squared. Solution to this problem. Now, when I have this type of problem, the first thing is we're talking about horizontal, very, very important. It means I'll be walking along with a plane this way, which is mine. Crate will be here, and there will be a reaction, and there will also be a weight. Now, this is my force, and this is my what? Okay, and this is going to be 45 Newton, and this is going to be reaction, which is 90. My reaction is 9 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 90 Newton. Now, I will now come to what? To normal reaction, which is my R equals to this, equals to mg, which is, we have done that, which is equals to 90 Newton. Now, which my force equals to 45 Newton, my theta equals to 50 degrees. Now, I can now say that what? My mu equals to force all over reaction. My mu equals to force all over reaction. It means my mu equals to, what is my force? My force is 45 all over what's 90, which is also implies 1 all over 2. Which also implies 1 all over 2. Which into my mu is also the same thing as well, 0.5, which is coefficient of the that is all about that. Okay, and now the second part of the question, let me quickly explain it. The second part of the question, the second part of the question is the pulling force, which is my pulling force over F as being resolved into vertical component can be resolved to Pascal quadrant, which is going to be, if I use it, let me use P here. So I have it where to be P P cos theta, which I'll be talking about my block. Now, this is my force, yield, and reaction, and also this is my weight, this is my reaction, and this will be which is going to be P sine theta, and also I'll be having something like this, and this one will be P cos theta, and this is going to be P, and this is going to be theta. That's going to be what we need. Now, it means, let me explain it a bit more. Now, with this, the normal reaction R is not equal to the weight W. The vertical component must also be considered. Therefore, my W equals to R plus P sine theta. R plus P sine theta. That is all about that. Now, I think with this you can see how it's being solved. Now, okay, and let me quickly, and at the point in which the crate is moving or moves forward, the horizontal component, this component, let me repeat, component of the crate, of the pulling force P cos theta is equal to the limiting frictional force, which is F, limiting frictional force. Now, we can now solve this simultaneously. We can solve this simultaneously. How can we solve it simultaneously? We generate equation 1 and also we generate equation 2. It means therefore, my F equals to P of cos theta, which is my node of this equals to P of cos theta. We can now solve these two things together now and generate your P and Q, which I would love to finish this question. A very interesting question that everybody's supposed to understand. Before you watch this video, make sure you watch the first video of this friction. Now, don't forget that my theta is 50 degrees. My weight from the question, which is my weight is 90 Newton, which I've listed them earlier. My force is 45 Newton, and my node is 0.5, which we have solved for that. Now, with that, you can now solve it into this, plug them into the equation, which I'll be having weight is 90 equals to my R plus we have P cos theta. What is my P? My P, I don't have P, which is my cos 950 is P cos 50, which is equation 1. And also I'll move on to this one, which is my mu 0.5 multiplied by reaction. What is our reaction? No reaction, which is my R, equals to, what is my P? I don't know it. And also I'm talking about no, this is sin 50. Sorry, this is sin 50. I made a mistake. This is sin 50. Now, which is I'll be talking about cos 50. With this, I can now solve this simultaneously and get your what? Your answer, which is without any problem. Without any problem. But I would like you to solve it. But don't forget that my reaction, you determine for your reaction and you solve for your what? For your force, which is your force. This is reaction, this is your force. After that, you can just, this is how to go about this equation 2. That is all about that. I still have a lot of things to do and there is no time on my side. Now, make sure you solve it. Please solve it. Just solve for R and P. Just solve for R and P equals to R plus P sine 50, equation 1, and also 0.5 R equals to P cos 50, equation 2. That is what you want to work on. Make sure you solve it. I don't have my, the time is not by my side, but it's very simple to solve anyway. Now, let me show one or two more problems and finish this part of friction. It's a very simple part, very, very simple part of physics, which is once you understand the concepts very well. Okay, let me show another problem that can really help us. Okay, now I have this question. An object of mass 150 kg is at the point of sliding down a plane inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal. Find the force parallel to the required to make the object to begin to move up the plane, taking your gravity as 10 meters per second squared. Please take note of this question. Right now, let me do some analysis. Solution to this problem. Note, before we note anything, let me quickly draw the diagram, make it represent the information in diagram way. The first thing, I have this, and I have the block. Now, which is an angle as formed. Since angle as formed, it means it's no more on what? the story have what? Have changed. It means this will be the what? The theta. And I've told you there must be a reaction, and also there must be what? Your weight. And I will resolve it, which we have done that earlier, cos theta, which also sin theta. Now, this is going to be P. Now, with this, from the equation, theta equals to 36 degrees. 30 equals to, our mass equals to 15 kg. My mass equals to 15 kg, which is my gravity 10 meter per second squared, which my weight equals to mg, which I'll be having 15 multiplied by 10, which is going to be 150 Newton. 150 Newton. Now, what else did I need? Okay, take note of this information. Note. For the plane, for the object to move off the plane, it must overcome the oppositing limiting frictional force, which is F, and parallel component of the weight W sin theta, which is weight sin theta. Okay, W that is upward pulling force, which is P is. Now, P is parallel. P equals to parallel component of the weight. Parallel component of the weight plus limiting frictional force. That is to say, my P equals to sin theta plus F, which also the same thing as W sin theta plus mu reaction. Please, we have done that earlier, which also can say that my P equals to sin theta plus over cos theta of cos theta, which is W cos theta. Now, coefficient of coefficient. How do I say coefficient of the friction which is mu is required to find. Now, with this analysis, you should be able to understand how it's being done. Okay, then with this, I can see that my mu equals to W sine theta all over W cos theta, which also the same thing as 150. I'll be having sine 36 all over cos 36, which we have done that earlier. Now my mu will be equals to, with help of my calculator, which I would like to take my calculator and calculator will give me 0.75. That is my answer. That is what I am to work on. Okay, how I wish I can do one more example, but with this you should be able to handle friction very well. Our first video explained how those formulas is being done, is being used, and the second video is now on the example on how question can come on the frictional force. Don't forget to share and subscribe. You are on with Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us to share. Help us to share anywhere you see it, and if you have not subscribed, press the subscribe button. You can reach us on this number +2348034495990. With this number you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and Telegram is around. Either any of the three. We need your help. No amount is small. Even marker, you can donate it for us. We need a bigger board. We need a better camera. Once again, I'm very happy. Thanks for watching.